Hey guys, my name is Cheno, welcome to the channel, and I wasn't supposed to vlog today, but I'm here at Le Pavilion in Magsaysay, Kibungsod. I think we're still in Kibungsod, Magsaysay. We're in Mindanao, and we've stumbled upon this really nice beachside resort. So I thought, you know what, why don't we do a quick tour? So as you walk through the front doors, you're presented with this really nice bed with a view. I don't know how to explain it. There's probably a term for it, but yeah. Let me go this way. The steps here are quite steep, so you gotta be careful. Alright, and this is what you're presented with. I believe those are rooms over there, but we're also heading to quite a unique spot where there's this one room right above the ocean water, right above the ocean, and it would be such a nice place to stay at. Check it out. So I guess you could call this a sea cottage, right above the ocean. It's so awesome. I've actually stayed in somewhere like this before, and they've got a little, steps down to the water so you can just jump right in. I'm walking down. I'd honestly love to jump in right now, but got a bit of work to do, and it takes a while to get changed and all that stuff, dry up, but it's quite beautiful here, guys. Check it out. It's just, the water is so calm. They actually got kayaks here, so you can go out and kayak. It looks so calming here. Now would be the perfect time. Like, as you can see, I'm so sweaty, but it would be so amazing to jump in this water right now. I still haven't gone into the ocean here in the Philippines. We've just been chilling, bit of working, and would be awesome though. Okay, before we get a view from above, one of the artists just told me to, I can come in one of the rooms. Pretty spacious, I would say. You've got a double bed here, and apparently this can actually fit up to 10 people. So they would have mattresses on the floor, so you can fit your whole family or two. And they've got a fridge, bedside tables, TV, so that's perfect. And then obviously this amazing view out to the ocean. So it would be awesome to stay. I might have to figure something out. I don't know, maybe next year or when I come back here later in the year. But quite awesome. Sorry guys, I'm sweating like crazy because it's only been a week since I got here to the Philippines, but I'm still adjusting to the temperature here. But yeah, quite beautiful here. So those are the other beach cottages that you can stay at, but it's nowhere near as nice as this one here, because you have an unobstructed view of the ocean compared to that one, but that would still be amazing and probably cheaper, more affordable. It seems that there's also tents on that end, so you could probably camp here overnight. That could be a much more affordable option for those like wanting to backpack. And there's people just walking down the steps over there, going in for a dip. How awesome is that? You wake up and just jump in the ocean. That'd be so awesome. Far out, the heat's really getting to me. I'm on the other side-ish, walking down these super steep steps. And there's a nice little dining spot here. Somewhere nice and calm, and yeah, a little more private, I guess, compared to what's up there. This is what it looks like. It's actually quite stunning. You've got a bit of greenery, of course, the ocean, the breeze. Would be amazing to stay here.